Are you unable to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I have a volunteer who is not very comfortable with reading and wouldn't mind reading?
Gandhi was not born as a blundering by mediocre student, a poor or an ordinary individual until he remade himself. He was a self-remade man. He had faith in himself, but above all, he had a deep, touching faith in the peasants, miners, laborers, and young, informed man and woman um, whom he drew into his work. He fed them an elixir growth which often transformed nameless, uneducated people into learned heroes. The elixir was fearless.
Okay. Thanks, Roshni. Can I ask someone else to read it also?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, please.
Gandhi was not born great. He was a blundering boy, a, a medical student, a poor lawyer, an ordinary individual until he renamed himself. He was a self renowned man. He had faith in himself, but above all, he had a deep, touching faith in the peasants, miners, laborers, and young unformed men and women he drew into his work. He fed them Alan Exchequer
Mm-hmm.
of growth which often transformed nameless, uneducated people into leonine ho- hor- heroes. The elixir was fearlessness.
Okay. Omkar, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am. May I start now?
Yeah, please.
Gandhi was not born great. He was a blundering boy, a mediocre student, a poor lawyer, and an ordinary individual until he remade himself. He was a self remade man. He had faith in himself, but above all, he had a deep, touching faith in the peasants, miners, laborers, and the young, unformed men and women whom he drew into his work. He fed them all an elixir of growth, which transformed nameless, uneducated people into leonine heroes. The elixir was fearlessness.
Awesome. Very well done. Is there anyone else who would like to read? We'll do the questions now. Mansi, sweetheart, start with the first question. Mansi, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Start with the questions. Read.
Should I read?
Yeah.
Consider the following assumptions. Gandhi was a great man throughout his life. Men are not born great, but they are made great by self effort. Gandhi liked the ordinary people and neglected the rich. Gandhi transformed the ordinary masses into great heroes.
Okay. Collectively, which assumption works best for the above passage?
A.
See,
B. Men are not born great, but they are made great by self effort.
Mhm.
oh, sorry, B.
Option 2 and 4.
Okay.
I think the
Ma'am,
A one,
Option
2
2
and
and
4.
4.
Option 2 and 4.
2 and 4,
ma'am,
ma'am.
See
Yeah,
third and
Omkar.
fourth.
ma'am, I
Okay.
have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
B.
Ma'am, couldn't option one be selected as well? Because even though he made himself great, the fact that he could do that for himself would actually declare him to be a great man throughout his life. No,
So you're talking about option A, B, C, which one?
no, ma'am. My answer is obviously option A because it's two
Mm-hmm.
and four. But
Mm-hmm.
my question was, can't we actually consider one as well in the questions? The number one.
Gandhi was a great man throughout his life. Yeah, you can. That's so. This is very interesting, which is why they do this in the NBA exam, where it's very difficult for you to choose what is what. Okay. And the idea for you is to get confused and to finally realize what exactly it is. But I'm glad you realized it is 2 and 4. Number 1 as an option is there to confuse you. Okay,
Yes.
it fits perfectly within that realm. I'm so happy this happened. Okay, let's try another one. Um, okay, next one. Um, Pradyuman.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, can you read the second one?
Second one.
Yeah.
Yes, miss. Gandhi transformed the uneducated people by teaching them.
Mhm.
Options also.
Fearlessness.
Fearlessness. B option.
Mhm.
Fearlessness.
Okay, perfect. Um, can we
One.
have ring? Yeah, Pradyuman, you want to say something?
No, miss. No.
Okay, cool. Rinku,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Uh,
Rinku, hmm.
Gandhi's attitude to the labor class was one of the generosity, the pity, compassion for the fearlessness. Compassion.
Mhm.
Passion and generosity.
Mhm. So one thing is
Compassion.
very clear is the fact that it will not be fearlessness because fearlessness already went in the first answer. It cannot be
Yes.
fearlessness again. Okay. Pity definitely doesn't work out here. Okay. This is what we call process of elimination. Okay. Okay. Generosity, yes, does fit in because he did a lot for for the sake of people, to the point that he went on fasts and stuff like that, and compassion also. The question over here asks you Gandhi's attitude towards the labor class was one of. If you read the text again, it says that above all, he had a deep, touching faith with the peasants. So, therefore, it talks about compassion. Okay, always go back to the text in case you get confused. Okay, next one, Omkar. Can we do the last one, please? The
The
word.
word leonine in the passage means
Mhm.
A. Lean, B. Courageous, C. Timid, D. Learning. The answer is B.
Mhm. Perfect.
Courageous.
Courageous.
Courageous. Yes.
Yes.
Courageous.
Courageous.
Very good.